singer, songwriter, artist, creator. I'm everything that you could possibly fucking think of. My name is London Moon, and welcome to my channel. And don't forget to fucking subscribe. Alright, y'all, so today I'm about to go in Publix, and I'm gonna show you quickly what I'm getting, and then I'm going to I don't know, I'm gonna cook the food. So I'm doing, I don't know, as you can see in the description, tackles. So we're going right there to Publix. You see that? Ugh, I hate when cars fucking creep, like. But yeah. I'm gonna get some cilantro, $1.29, fresh produce. Grab that. Now I'm gonna do the Pico De Gallo, everything. Okay, so it ain't gonna be on no fancy shit. We just about to get it, but I'm about to make this shit. So we got some Pico De Gallo. I don't know if I want like the medium or the mild, but I do like a little spice. But I'm gonna have a Chipotle sauce. I'm gonna go with mild. $4.99. Oh, $3.99. And I'm gonna do the Daisy sour cream, $2.59. I feel like this is always a good one, easy, squirt, bam. And I love sour cream, so getting that big one is nothing to me. Yeah, just remembered I got shrimp already at home, so I don't even grab any more of that. I'm just gonna get me my little sides and fuck, what's that shit called? And then we're gonna do it, the finished product. But let's see. Do this little ones, these joints, I don't know, whatever. I might do those because I think they got some other ones, but that don't seem too bad. Jalapenos at home, might not need that. Oh, I definitely want to get some refried beans. I love refried beans, and I'm gonna get these joints in the fucking can because why not? I don't really know how to make refried beans, and I don't even eat canned food, but I eat these motherfuckers. So we're gonna do that. And this is some good ass Chipotle sauce, I promise you. So I got my Chipotle sauce to go on top of them bitches. So that's happiness right there. What else I needed? Oh, I wanted some rice. And I got this. This is some Mexican rice. So that's Mexican style rice. So that's gonna be great on the side. And the beans, the rice, the pico, the tortillas, sour cream, cilantro, chipotle, and I got the cheese already at home, and I got shrimp at home. So that will be it at Publix. So I'm about to go check out. All right, I'm about to check out. Everything's in the bags. All right, y'all, so I'm in the kitchen, and now I'm about to get started on making the shrimp tacos. So I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings that I'm gonna use just to season my shrimp with. It's not much. I got some Creole seasoning. This is the one I have because that's what's in this bitch. Use whatever you choose, but this is what I'm using. This is the Creole seasoning I'm using. Then I'm gonna do a little Mrs. Dash because that's what I like. Not gonna do too much seasoning because this is just gonna be enough. Now you can season it how you want to. This is just what I'm using. Whatever, Creole and Mrs. Dash. So we got our shrimp in the strainer bowl, whatever you want to put it in. Get your Creole. Season it up all nice and fine, however you choose. Season the way you want. This is what I'm doing. I want my shit to have some flavor. Take my Mrs. Dizash. I'm about to make me me some shrimp potats. And I just tossed it in my hand. My hands are clean, by the way. Make sure yours are, or fuck it, it's your house, you eating it. Don't feed nobody. All right, your shrimp should look nice and seasoned. And also, have your grease going, bitch. Now you could use fish fry if you want. I'm not, because I don't really, not right now, not for this. I'm using flour. So that's about enough flour. Now with your flour, you want to take it and you're gonna season your flour as well with the shrimp. I'm just gonna use a little bit more Creole and Mrs. Dash, just so it can have a little flavor on the, you know, the crust. And, you know, like so. Just a little bit. I mean, it looked like a lot, but it's not, because you're about to start tossing it. Now you're gonna take an egg for your wash. Now you can use milk or water. I'm using a little water. That's all. Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna whisk it up. Whisk it up. You can add how many eggs you, let's not do that. How many eggs you choose to, you can add. This is just what I'm doing. Now you're gonna take your shrimp that you already, you know, seasoned up and floured up, put it in there. I'm gonna put all them joints in there because, you know, you're gonna add more flour to it in a second. Make sure you get it all wet and coat it in that wash. So if you gotta flip it. Now you see I put them back inside my thing. I'm gonna add them a little bit more, just a tad bit more flour. Now if you wanna re-season your flour again, you can, that's on you. But you don't want it to be salty, but it's not. Just be real gentle and light. But you know, you might like your shit salty, I don't know. Maybe that's what you like. And that's gonna make them hoes nice and crispy. So that taco will be lovely. All right. I already have my grease going. Yes, this is some grease I used yesterday to fry a lobster in, and I'm using this bitch again. If you want to make your little fresh grease, do so. But you just kind of go ahead and sit them in there. You know. Now you're not gonna let them cook too long. You're gonna let them cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. You know, you don't want them to be fried too hard. But I mean, you know, you can just wait for them to rise or whatever. But you see how crispy that's looking already from that wash? Look at that. That's gonna be delicious. While you're waiting on that to cook, if you're of age, grab you something to drink. Lovely. This is good. Wow. Now, I'm about to take my shrimp out, so let's get to it. I didn't wash my strainer out. Now I'm about to, move this over here. You want them to drain the grease out, so you're just gonna take them out and just kind of set it in the strainer. Look how beautiful it looks so good. All right, so next I'm gonna do my Mexican styled rice. Yeah, you can get whatever kind you want. This is what I saw. This is what I decided to get. And I'm about to show you how I like to make my flavored rice. So let's get into it. You see how it's boiling a little bit now? It's still got to come to a boil, but I just added a little olive oil, extra virgin. Yeah, I'm just let it boil. I'm going to throw my rice in. Uh-oh. For me, around now, I like to add my rice in there. Just like that. Now, see how that bitch just shut up? She calmed down now. Now, I let the rice kind of dissolve some of the water. Then I'm going to add my flavor. I don't want to add my flavor while the water's so hot, because then it's like, Let the water kind of drain out a little bit. Let the rice cook a little bit, and then add the flavor and stir it. So while your rice is over here cutting up, you are going to want to start on your beans. What I have, obviously, is simple. Pop the top, let the bitch heat up. All right, so the dog food looking beans is out the can, but you know, it's really just about letting these hoes cook. So that's it. You just let them heat up. They're already cooked, but you just want to warm them. All right, so like around like this is when I'm gonna add my seasoning. Got most of the water kind of out of them. Damn, that was a lot of seasoning. Or whatever, and stir it. See that? That smells good too. And just let that cook on down. You don't want all that water in there, so you just gotta let that cook until it just start looking like rice without all the extra water. Look at her over here. She trying to cut up with her little bubbling, but you know, that's fine. She ain't really gonna do nothing besides, you know, this. So yeah, you just mess with it, stir it. Now we're about to end it up with the flour tortillas. You're gonna just cook it a little bit. Now you can use butter, whatever it is, but I'm using the spray. And you're just gonna lay that bitch on there, flip it. You don't want it to be crispy, but you know, just heat it up. I'm about to show you. Just like that, just lay it on there, flip it, whatever. I shouldn't have to show y'all that, but hey, this is the purpose of the video. Like that, just a little crispy, a little golden, that's it. You can take that off. That's how you want all of them to look. And now that it's done, look at that. Now you're just gonna simply plate it. You're gonna add your Chipotle sauce and your Pico De Gallo, your cheese if you like, and yeah, I'm about to show you what it look like when it's done. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Now this is the finished product. You got your spinach rice. You got your refried beans, your drink, and your tacos. Look delicious, don't they? The shrimp tacos, look at that. So y'all already know what I'm about to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment, all that little YouTube shit that they tell you to do. And come back for more, because I'll be here. So until then, peace out, motherfuckers.